Hey everybody, welcome to another little Livecaster tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how to livecast videos to Facebook. Now Livecaster currently supports livecasting to Facebook pages and Facebook profiles, which is your personal profile on Facebook, and later on we are working with Facebook to get support for groups too, and I'm very positive that we'll be adding the feature later on, and when it's available it will be available to everybody. But meanwhile, let me show you how to livecast to Facebook pages and groups. So the first thing, you want to add your Facebook page or group to the social accounts tab. So go to the social accounts screen. You will see that right now it's empty because I don't have any Facebook page or profile added, and I'm going to do that. First thing, click on add. It's going to ask you what do you want to add. Is it a Facebook profile or is it a Facebook page? Let's go with the Facebook page. The process is the same for both, no matter what you do. So Livecaster is going to ask you to log in into Facebook, put in your email ID and password and log in. If you got two-factor authorization or anything enabled like that, it's going to ask you to do that too. And once you're logged in, it's going to ask you for permissions to authorize Livecaster to livecast to your Facebook account. Now for me, it didn't ask for permissions because I'm a developer. I'm the developer of Livecaster, so I'm automatically authorized there. But once you give the permissions, you will see all the pages that are a part of your Facebook account. So here are all the pages that are part of my account, and I can livecast to any one of them. So I'm gonna go with this one. This is a test page that I have, and this is now a part of your social accounts, and you can go live on it. And that's very easy. Go back to videos. We already had a video over there, and you can see this button, go live. Click on it. You'll be able to select where you want to go live, FB pages, and you'll be able to select the page that you added. Then just click on go live. That's it. Livecaster will now livecast to that page. That might take a few seconds to set up, and in the schedule video section, now you can see that the video is live, it's running, and you can see this little animation which tells you the video is live now and the video is being cast to Facebook. So let's go to Facebook and see what we find there. So here we are. This is the test setup page that we had, and as I scroll down, I can see that I've got the live video here. This is my content, this is my title, descriptions, the tags, everything is here, and I can now see the live video. All my audience can see the live video on Facebook. Alright, I'm gonna delete it now. And we now know how to go live, but what about scheduling? Can we schedule videos to go live at a specific time, and will that happen? The answer is yes, and right next to the go live button, you can see the schedule button. Click on it. You will see a scheduling screen. You can select the date when you want to go live. Let's go live tomorrow, and you will be able to select the time zone. So you can either select the UTC or whatever time zone you want, the time when you want to go live. All the options are right here. Then the Facebook account where you want to go live. So again, it's a Facebook page. This is the page that we selected. Click on schedule, and that's it. Your video is scheduled, and if you go into the scheduled video section, you can see the video right over here. It's scheduled to go live. The date is here. It's gonna go live on the December 7th, and it's gonna go live at 0 hours. So guys, this is how you can go live on Facebook right now, or you can schedule any video to go live at a future date. Now remember one thing, Livecaster is a desktop application, so you gotta be leaving it running. If you want to go live at a later date, you want to make sure that the software is running. So just leave it running. You can minimize it, and it's gonna just sit there, not bother you, not do anything on your computer. And when it's time to go live, it's gonna make your video go live right then. So this is how Livecaster FB works. You can livecast to, again, Facebook pages, Facebook profiles, and hopefully soon Facebook groups too.